In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Revolution OS, which is based on the latest MIUI version 20.5.13 to Poco phone. So I given in description link. So go to that link and download the ROM. So okay, let's see how to install. First, you need to download that ROM. Then after that, create one folder. So I created one folder for that. So likewise, you need to create one folder and move here. Here you can see down, see like this. So it's easy to find while flashing. Now turn off your device. Then boot into recovery by pressing power button and volume increase button at the same time. Wait just a second and go to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dolby, Tape, System and Data and wipe these four. Then go back, choose install, select you created the folder before, this one, choose the zip file you downloaded already, swipe to confirm flash, just keep wait till complete the process. So I strongly suggest you don't do dirty flash, because it's getting boot loop sometimes for this RevOS. So after this, do wipe again, then reboot your system. Now it's booting into Revolution OS with the MIUI. So after that, proceed the installation process. Whatever you ask, just give one click next. So here, that's all. Choose language, which one you want. The next, skip, forward, move forward, then forward, select prefer sim, then move forward, sync is on, almost done. Then create fingerprint if you want. Here you can choose either gesture or button. I'm going to choose button. That's all set. So now we successfully flashed the Revolution OS, which is based on MIUI version. Now I am going to show you what version will be installed in this device. Go to settings, my device. Here you are able to see RevOS 12 version 12 20.5.13, the latest one, so which is based on Android 10. So that's it. Thanks for watching.